Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be applying false lashes and doing wing liner. So it's like a little 2-in-1 video. Yeah, I'll tell you guys where I got all the products, what the products are. I already need to add all my friends in this video so y'all can watch it and do your own lashes. They always have me put their lashes on, especially my best friend Bree. Yeah, you need to watch this, sis. Somehow I'm gonna still end up being forced to put hers on. I'm gonna start charging her. But yes, and we do have the same name. Her name is Bree too. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I do my false lashes and my wing liner, then just stay tuned. And I don't even think that I said my name is Bree. If you're new, sorry, I was so excited to just get into the video. My name is Bree. If you are new, if you're returning, thanks for coming back to my channel. Yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video when I post. Yeah, if you're interested in this look, stay tuned. I don't have any face makeup on. I decided to surpass that just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like dealing with all that. So yeah, we just did eyes today. So we're gonna be applying false lashes and doing wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what products we're gonna be using. So for the liner, we're gonna be using this Tardiest liner. It's a gel, well, it's a clay paint liner. And it comes out a little tube like this. Mine is almost empty, so I need to get a new one, but it comes like a little squeezy thing like this. And then I'm pretty sure this brush did come with it. I can't remember. I got it a really long time ago. But it comes with like a little angle brush like this, which makes it super easy to do a wing or cat eye, whatever you want to call it. So those are the two products I'll be using for eyeliner. You don't have to use these exact products, of course. The technique is all the same. Whether I use I don't ever use a pencil, but whether I'm using like gel or liquid, because pencils are more for, in my opinion, more for the waterline on the bottom. And for the lashes, I'll be using the Batty Bee lashes. They're not stuck to the little thing because I've worn them 50 million times. But I'll be using the Batty Bee lashes in the Style Extra. I usually only use this duo glue. Y'all, running out of breath. Glue. It's white when you apply it, but it dries clear. But I did get this Kiss Strip Lash adhesive with aloe, and this is a black one. I know some people prefer black glue, but it's gonna dry clear anyways. So it doesn't matter. I can use black or white. But this is actually a really good glue too. I got this in Miami. When I went there, I left my whole makeup bag at home and didn't realize till I got to the airport. So I had to buy all new makeup, like new foundation, new lashes, new primer. I had to buy all new stuff. So I bought this and it's actually pretty good. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use today yet, but those are the only products that we'll be using. I already did my brows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow and Dark Brown. Yeah, so if you're new to doing wing liners and even applying lashes is easier to get than doing wing liner. Like, you have to work at that. So don't get discouraged when they look more like cousins and not twin sisters. First, I usually just squeeze the liner on old Lash little box thing. Oh, side note, they're just some regular tweezers. They actually do have tweezers that are specific for lashes, like that U-shape. I think they're U-shaped. I'm not sure. I think they're U-shaped, but they're specific for like putting your lashes on, and that'll help you if you're inexperienced, or if some people just might prefer those, but I prefer these. And also, before you put glue on the lashes, measure them on your eye, like just sit them on your eye where you want them to go, and make sure that they're short enough. So if they're too long, then you can just take little tiny scissors and cut the excess off, and that'll be fine. Yeah, but you want to do that before you put the glue on, because you don't want to glue them and then you realize that they're too long and then you have to take them off and make your eyeliner up, all that stuff. So yeah, my mirror's down here, so that's where I'm gonna be looking. I'm gonna zoom in. How you do that? We're gonna start with this eye. We're gonna take this and start at the outer corner. Ah, y'all, that took too long. My product didn't dry up. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, then we're gonna go from here to the lid. Fill in as you're going. Oh my gosh, this eyeliner is extra dry. Okay, I might have set myself out. And we're just going to okay, we're about to fix the actual wing because I don't like that. Ow! Okay, we're gonna fix this actual wing because it looks really ugly. Oh! Probably because my eyeliner is extra dry. I'm always sending myself out and I'm really making more like sharp looking. So I'm not as dry. Okay, that's that's as good as that's gonna get. So I'm going to do the other eye. And then we're gonna apply these lashes and be done with it. Ow. So this one wasn't as dry. But I mean guys, if you look at the bottle, like it's like flat. Like this. What made me think that that was okay to use that? Okay, so that's what we're working with. Cause that wasn't okay, Bree. Now you can either get like a little tiny brush or apply it directly to the lash. I'm just gonna apply mine directly to the lash. We're moving on to lashes now. Alright. Okay, so the key is letting it dry. You don't put the glue on and then put it around your eye, sis, because it's gonna slip and slide around. It's not gonna be cute. So let it dry for a second and get like tacky, and then apply it to your lid. Okay, so you want to make sure it's tacky. Place it right where you want it. And don't worry about the white. It's going to dry. And you won't look crusty, I promise. We're gonna let that dry. I mean, you don't have to wait until it dries, because regardless. Now, why I do that? Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. My camera did something funny, but I went ahead and put the other lash on and applied some, I was about to say gel liner. What is this? Eyeliner, the pencil. I applied a little bit to my waterline on my bottom lashes. So usually after this, I would go ahead and do I've already moisturized and did my oils and stuff. And usually I would go ahead and do my foundation and contour and mascara and stuff. So you don't have to apply mascara to false lashes if you don't want to. That's an option. You don't have to. I do sometimes, but if they already look like pretty good like these do, then I don't. But I always apply them to my bottom lashes, but I'm not about to do that right now. So, as I was saying, I usually would do like the whole 9 yards, foundation, everything, but I'm not doing that today because I don't feel like it, and I don't feel like my skin acting funny because I haven't worn makeup since COVID. I'm not wearing makeup like that. So, yeah, that is the finished product. With, as you can see, like with lashes on, it's harder kind of to see the wing liner, but it also looks really good because it kind of makes it like your eyelashes are flaring out a little bit on the corners, but that's actually it's actually the wing. So I believe that I mentioned, I did tell y'all where I got this stuff from, didn't I? Well, I got this from Ulta, the liner and the brush. That came from Ulta. The 2 lash glues, I used the white one though. These both came from the drugstore, and the lashes are Batty Bee lashes in the color, in the style extra. If you all have any questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. Also, let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see me put out next, if you have any ideas. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next video. I'll see y'all next time.